Welcome back to Rotuned, everybody. Today we are shooting my CZ457 out to 190 yards just for fun. I just drove it out there and steel targets and stuff, and just kind of guesstimated my range, and it ends up being 190 dead on. So got a little bit of wind crossing back and forth, but so we're just gonna have some fun, take some pokes out at these targets. So I'm gonna try around 6-8 or so, and we'll shoot these little 5-rounders first, just to get kind of dialed here. So I'm gonna aim for the 5x5 target on the far left for the first shot. I'm gonna hold right at the pivot point. So I have the target's just under a mil. It's like 0.8 mils. So let's just see if we're pretty close here. And we don't have any windage dialed. You see the wind flag just moving around a bit, but it's kind of dead. So see what happens. Here we go. Ooh. We went over. Now we'll go dead hold. That's 1040 feet per second, 1038.1 or something. Now I'm holding dead center on the plate, 5x5 plate. Still over. Let's try this again. And failure to extract. As you can see, I haven't switched out the extractors yet. Still having issues. Now let's see if we can get on target here. All right. Same hold. Ooh, missed off the right side. Same hold again. And is that it? Yeah, that's it for those 5. So we're on target. It's a little high and a little bit to the right, so I'll push 0.2 left. And we'll come down 1.1. Now let's see if we can get a group on that plate. Here we go. Wow, big spread. Oh, 5-round mag. Not used to those. So we're hitting pretty close now. Let's move to a bit smaller of a target. Can't remember what from the right side, it's actually, I'll just shoot that one with that bearing race. That inner race is about, or outer race is about 2 inches inside. See if we can connect one shot dead center. Here we go. Got it. And I'm gonna go for that small far right one. I think I hit the chain. Try again. I think I hit the very bottom of it that time. Now I'll hit it swinging. Ah, missed off the left side. Now I'll do the third plate over. That one went up top, so that's not come back down. Go for the inner race again. And we stack those two. And we'll do it again. And one more time. Ooh. That one shot off a bit. Let's go for that smallest target out there. See if we can hit that guy. First try. I think we just nicked it though. I don't see the mark, so I might have hit the chain. Here we go again. And that time we missed off the left. And we're out. Yeah, just out here plinking around. This is kind of what I do, like just for fun. Normally, I don't film it, but this time I'm filming it. Same target. Ooh. There we go. We're missing way left. Gonna hold dead center in that long one. I think it's like 3 inches wide and 6 inches tall. I'm gonna hold dead center. So we're missing off the left. So I'm gonna pull point 2. And I'll hold dead center again. A little high. Holding dead center. That's pretty close there. And one more. So we're grouping a little high. Try for that tiny one beside it to the left. Try again once it stops swinging so hard. Or we'll just go for it while it's swinging. Oh, I missed. And that's the end of that mag. Let me know if you guys like this kind of video footage. I could film a lot more if I did more of these videos, because it's kind of what I do all the time. Just put steel targets out at random distances and try to hit it. So now I'll shoot the one that doesn't have any marks on it. And the very small one, far right. Got it. Bearing, inner race. Oh. There we go. All right, that's 40 shots. And we got a pretty big swing in extreme spread, but whatever. All right, we'll go to the big 5x5 plate and we'll ring it a few times here real quick. Okay, we only picked up 5 of those, and See if we can do something kind of similar on, I guess the only one that we could do that is the bearing one, or that tall 3x6. Here we go. And I don't think this mag will work, but we'll try. Yeah, so close. It gets in there, but I probably won't be able to get it out. See if it feeds all right. Small target. Goes off right. And got hit there. What happened? Put that one aside. Oh, hit it while still swinging. Now let's go to the next small one. So we got a bit of right to left right now. And he's still swinging. Right? It's pretty calm. I'm holding right edge. Oh, we messed off the right side. No, the big long 3x6. I'm gonna aim in the lower half of it. Still hit high. Oops. Now we pulled two out. Small target. Aha. Off the left edge, and I think we're on empty chamber. Yeah. Let's see. Get that guy out real tight. Load these two up. And blast away again. 2 rounds. If I hit the small target twice now. Okay. Wait for it to settle down. There we go. So, pretty consistent at 190, I would say. Yeah, it's just for fun. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And bye for now.